Welcome again. In this video we shall learn how to add images in HTML tag. Images make web pages more attractive and engaging. The good news, only takes one line of code to show an image. The image tag used to display an image. It does not need a closing tag and use several attributes. SRC is the source or path of the image. Alt is the alternative text if the image cannot load. Width and height control the size of the image. Let's look at a simple example. Now look at the line of code. Image contains source cat.jpg article to cute cat with 300 height 200. This line of code show an image named cat.jpg file. If the image does not load, cute cat will be shown as alt text. Alt means alternative text. The width is 300 and height is 200 pixels. That's how simple it is to add images. Quick recap. Always use the SRC and alt attributes. Use width and height to control the size of the image. Keep image file names short and clear, and that is now you know how to add images in HTML. Thank you.